Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft charms in Fish It. So in the latest Fish It update, there is a new feature where you can craft your own charms. This one, charm crafting. So you can now craft various charms using resources found in the world of Fish It. And in here, what you need to do to start craft charms, first you need to go to the volcanic cavern, and after that you can just cross this. After that you can unlock the lava basin. This is where you can craft the charms. So you need to talk to the magma fisherman first, and then you can just finish the quest. And once the lava basin is opened, you can just go in the middle of the lava basin, just cross this and then go up. So this is where you can craft charms. So there are 4 kind of charms that you can craft. The first one is the Oculus charms, and in here, as you guys can see, you need to find some of these items. It's like the fuel or the material to create the charms. So I already got this one, also this one. I only missed the cave crystal, and there's also anchor charms. I already got both of the material hook charms, only need red rope, and also the wing charms. So after you get that, you can just craft your own charms. And for the materials, you can either fish them up, like this one. You can get it by fishing inside the lava basin, or you can also find the other materials by mining. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.